Free Bitcoin earning is one of the best and easiest processes nowadays from different types of trusted cryptocurrency or related website or apps. The people who want to earn extra free Bitcoin from any corner of the world on their computer or your mobile phone, this video will be great helpful because I want to share about 6 apps or websites to earn extra money from any corner of the world or in this bad situation. So this website is called www. Hey, this is make money online. In every single week I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are a first time in my channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. Or on the other hand, if you want to get such types of latest informative related videos on make money online, just get connected to make money online, and please share more and more with your friends and family members. Or on the other hand, if you want to create your brand new YouTube channel for earning by monetization, just follow this video on YouTube channel tips and tricks. So let's get started. Alright, I have written a note on 6 apps that make money online while you sleep. First website is called Honeygain. Honeygain.com is an amazing website for 2021, and you can start your journey on this particular platform. To start your journey by creating your account as a $5 sign up bonus. So it has paid me around $500 so far and $1,000 to my YouTube subscribers. In total, you can cash out PayPal and Bitcoin. You can use it on your phone or your computer altogether. So if I come to this next website, this is called honeygan.com. There is a popularity of this honeygan.com on online platform. You can start your journey by creating your account as a sign up bonus $5, and there is a payout down over here, and there are lots of dollar have been paid, and this one is the average time at $20  48 days. If you come over here, you have you will be able to get an idea by watching this video step by step to start your journey. So what should you do after clicking on this particular website on honeygain.me? First of all, if you want to use this platform, I mean Honeygate.me, just download this on your computer or your mobile phone, and boom, this is the best and easiest way to create your account on this platform. And if you come over here, and there is a claim $5 now, and just click on this button over here, and then this one is a sign up option. Just provide your email address and password all together, and just click on this $5 will be added to your account. Boom, this is the best and easiest process. The people who want to earn extra money as a beginner or without knowledge or experience or investing any money, this is the greatest opportunity to start your journey on this platform. So if you want to earn this more and more dollar, just get connected on this platform after installing on your device, I mean computer or your mobile phone. Now I'd like to share another one. This is called a CryptoTab Browser. CryptoTab Browser is one kind of browsing website like Mozilla Firefox, Chrome, and other browsing website. And after installing this CryptoTab browser on your device, I mean on your computer or your mobile phone, and you can browse anything, and you will be able to get paid from this website easily from any corner of the world. If you are a user of Windows, just click on this download button over here, and then just wait. And after downloading this CryptoTab browser, and you can browse anything like Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or other browsing website. And on the other hand, if you are a user or a mobile phone, just come to this Google Play Store, click on this button, and you can start your journey over here. So how does the common criteria about this CryptoTab browser over here? It is an incredibly lightweight and fast browser, built-in mining features, and this one is a user-friendly, customizable interface. Support for synchronization on multiple devices over here, and this one are common criteria about this website. And while surfing and web, the fastest built-in mining algorithm, and the third one is switch to the new browser in a click. Enjoy all of your favorite Chrome extensions. Use CryptoTab on all of your devices, and get Cloud Boost 20 for free from this platform over here. If I want to share about this total criteria or statistics about this website, I mean CryptoTab browser, there is a global name, country name, and category over here, and lots of people are using this CryptoTab browser from any corner of the world, like Russian Federation, Thailand, Venezuela, Egypt, Ukraine, and other people. So if you come over here, how will I start my journey on this CryptoTab browser? This will give you free Bitcoin daily. You will simply activate the software in your mobile phone or on your computer, and it will start generally it automatically. This is the best and easiest process nowadays to start your journey on CryptoTab browser from any corner of the world. Now I'd like to share another one. This is called Packetstream.io. Packetstream.io. This one is a residential proxy network. Residential proxies powered by peer-to-peer bandwidth sharing. I want to share the total details about this platform. How will you start your journey? Just click on this link and you can start your journey on this platform. Similar like Honeygain, they sell your unused internet connection in the marketplace and you can earn so for that. Based on my research, Packetstream is the oldest company in this category of making money by sharing your unused data. So, however, is not the oldest company in this video, and you can start your journey on your computer or your mobile phone easily from any corner of the world. If you come over here about this total statistics or criteria, I mean global rank, country rank, category rank are available on this platform. As you can see here, if you come over here about this website, there are lots of people are working on this platform. United States, India, Brazil, Russian Federation, United Kingdom, and more people are working on this platform. If you come over here and there are lots of criteria, you must know this one is a residential IPs, and after 99% happy clients are there is a restrictions zero, so you can start your journey without hesitation or getting any types of help of others from any corner of the world. So get connected to this platform easily. Now I'd like to share another one. This is called the honeyminer.com, like Honeygain. So you can also start your work on this platform. Just provide your email address and start earning now. Honeyminer makes mining and earning money simple for anyone with a computer. They would like to share total statistics about this website. I think honeyminer.com. All the information will be provided on my description box, and just come to my description box and start your journey on this Honeyminer. With this app, you will be earning free Bitcoin, and once you cash out your Bitcoin, you can of course transfer it into your local currency if you want to do that. This is a little bit similar to a money making app like CryptoTab. It's really easy to use and you share your unused computing power. Honeyminer will automatically optimize it for you. So I recommend you to start your journey over here from any corner of the world without any types of hesitation. So next one, this is called the fluidstake.io. Fluidstake.io, GPU Cloud 5x, super simple. We are the Airbnb of GPU compute. We run spare capacity in data centers to slash your cloud compute costs. You get the same quality machines at AWS GCP ZURE, but up to 5x cheaper. So you can get connected by clicking on this get started over here, and then Fluid is still similar to Honeyminer, but instead of renting your GPU to mining Bitcoin, you will earn USD or your local currency. However, you will need to have at least 10 devices in order to start using this. So it may not be for the most people. So now I like to share another one. This one is called, I mean, Bass B network. B network and B in-game features not the same, and you can also use this from any corner of the world on your sizable devices. But remember, you must use only one name to create your account on these six platforms altogether from any corner of the world, and otherwise they will ban your all types of account easily. So you must follow the criteria to use their apps or platform easily. B Network or Pi Network, I wanted to mention these two apps because so many of my subscribers have been asking questions about them, and people in general are searching for information about them. Now I'll share with you the best apps to make money while you are sleeping. So these are the common 6 apps that make money while you sleep, and after creating your account on this particular 6 website or apps, you can start your journey as a total earner or passive earner from any corner of the world by using your device. Thanks for watching my videos till then. I cordially request you to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel on different types of cryptocurrency related earning website or apps, and you also earn more and more by creating your YouTube channel and follow this video or tutorial step by step from my YouTube channel, Make Money Online. So if you want to get such types of videos more and more, please share, help to earn others from this Make Money Online. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.